Hello and welcome back to Pie for Dinner. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to multiply fractions. When multiplying fractions such as a over b times c over d, this can be represented as a times c over b times d. And from there, when you have real numbers, you can multiply them and then simplify the fraction as necessary. So now we're going to go through a few examples, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Our first two fractions are 3 over 6 times 6 over 9, and so we'll multiply our numerators first, which is 3 times 6, and then we'll put that over 6 times 9. From here, we can cancel the 6's, which leaves us with 3 over 9. And we can further simplify that to 1/3. Moving on to 4 over 11 times 2 over 6. Again, we will multiply the numerators. 4 times 2. And then the denominators 11 times 6. Through evaluation, we see that gives us 8 over 66, which we can further reduce to 4 over 33. For the next problems, there's going to be no audio. What you should do is when you see the problem, pause it, do it out, and then press play to see if your answer is correct.